Hello viewers, I have ordered this package online and I'm very excited about this one. This is a mystery snail. Hopefully it will be an exciting one. So without further ado, let's open this package and let's see what's actually in there. I can say for now that this is a type of nereid snail, but which type I'm not gonna say it. We're gonna wait for the unboxing to see which type of nereid snail it's going to be. You know, nereid snails are very good algae eaters, and I've been using nereid snails for more than 4 years and I am getting very satisfactory results with them. So as you guys can see, I've ordered a pair of snails.
Snail.
Yes, Papa, these are snails. My daughter is with me today doing the vlog.
Snail.
You cannot see it properly now,
Snail.
so we have to.
Snail.
Yes, Papa, snails. Yes, snails. So what you have to do is we have to slowly habituate them with the temperature of the aquarium water. So I'm going to put this whole bag inside our aquarium, and when the temperature of water equals to the temperature of aquarium water, then I'm going to slowly release it in the aquarium, and then we'll show you in the aquarium light how it actually looks. So this is a batik nereid snail. As you can see, they have very distinctive pattern and it looks very cool, doesn't it? And these specific type of nereid snails, the batiks, they are very, I must say, adventurous, and they try to escape from the aquarium time to time, so be careful with that. Here you can see that the one batik nereid snail is already trying to escape, so it's better if you can put a guard over your aquarium top. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more.